I can't believe we're going on the cruise. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is me, by the way. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
It's happening.
It's really happening. Done. Done. Boom.
Sorry. Yeah. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We're going on a cruise, a cruise, a cruise. We're going on a cruise, yeah, a cruise, yeah, a cruise. We're going on a cruise, yeah, a Disney cruise.
Wonderful time. Yes, thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
This would be enough, people.
The buskers. The buskers. Dun dun dun. The buskers. Dun dun dun. The buskers. Dun dun dun. The buskers. The buskers. Oh.
Okay, I guess it's Dad. No one's announcing, so I guess Dad's going to do it.
Well, welcoming the best for you.
Oh my gosh! All right.
Elevator? Oh, maybe I can.
I haven't been on this ship in like a year. I love this ship. It's crazy now how this each room feels so much smaller. After having been like to live and everything. And then if you go on the Wonder, it feels even smaller.
Oh yeah, that one's.
Should we go to our room?
Okay.
Is our room ready?
Yes. That's what happens when you get on super late.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
You can take a break if you need. I don't know if people need to go all the way up with us.
No, I want to skill take the video. Isn't this gorgeous?
Pause that for a sec. Yeah, I think I can squeeze it.
Yeah, I think.
All right. Hesitated.
More aggressive than that.
What floor are we going to?
6. Jeez. Ha.
You can stop recording for a couple minutes.
It's gonna be pretty long.
All right, this is us.
Yay. Let's go. Let's go. This way.
Did you want to do the tour of the wall?
Only thing to inquire is just it should have gone through, but I want to make sure our dining is.
Yeah. Oh, and also if we see our stateroom host, want to make sure he gets his. Do you want the top bunk, kiddo?
Yes, top
Yeah?
bunk.
So if we see our stateroom host, from the nice person that helps us with our room,
Yes.
you can say very nicely, "Excuse me, could I just have the top bunk tonight?" And I'll do it for you, okay?
Yay.
Just ask nicely, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, the drippy drip.
Taking the video constantly.
Great job, kiddo. Maybe I'll make you a YouTube channel.
What?
Maybe I'll make you a YouTube channel
Oh, we can put this on YouTube.
if you want.
I do.
What if it's like a YouTube channel of random POV videos of like a 5-year-old? Like from his perspective, it's like a lot of butts probably.
Oh, sorry, room. I said, oh, sorry, room.
Dirty floors. Dirty.
Oh my gosh. Yippee, 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 yippee. Bum, 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 bum. I'm gonna take my shoes off.
A beach towel.
We've never gotten one
I've
of those
never gotten
before.
these.
Can we go outside?
Yeah, of course. Thank goodness for a deluxe family veranda room. And we're gonna have the non-castaway. So I'm trying. The
Sometimes it's
non-castaway
hard.
view. It's an older ship after all. Oh look, Cameron. Oh gosh, please don't go over that. Thank you. But the good news is we can get right into the boats if we had to.
Oh yeah, we can just hop
You
on
could
now.
just, you don't have to hop. You could like just like dangle yourself down there. Guys, we're on cruise ship. I'm so excited. Go, what I'm gonna do? See if I'm gonna see a cruise. Are you excited, Cam?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell us all about it. I want to hear from you.
It's good.
We'll turn the camera around on Cameron now.
It's good. It's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is me, by the way.
Who's me?
I already took a video of you.
No. Who's me? What's your name? Tell everybody. Hi, I'm Cameron.
Hi, I'm Cameron.
How many cruises have you been on, Cameron?
Like a million.
Like a million? Do you have a favorite? Which one? Treasure. Ooh, that's a good one. What are you looking forward to doing on this cruise?
Karaoke.
Oh, okay.
Later, I might take a video of karaoke.
Yeah, what do you think you'll sing?
Well, I forget the song because I haven't been on this cruise for a while.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know which songs I'm gonna do.
All right.
Oh, ah!
See you later.
No! Hey, hey.
Okay.